皆さん、こんにちは。Hello, I am Hitoshi. Thank you for always coming to my channel, my page. Today's topic is necessary documents for dependent visa, March 2024 version. ね。Today's talk is about necessary documents for dependent visa. This time, I would like to tell you about it on the assumption that 1. Your visa is engineer, specialist in humanities, international services, and number 2. You want to invite your spouse, ね、husband or wife. In that case, you need to apply for a certificate of eligibility. Speaking of the documents for dependent visas, you can easily get the information when you visit the website of immigration agency. Like this. こういう形ね。This is their website ね。で、on the website, they guide the list of necessary documents ね。However, these are minimum required documents. On the page, they say, if necessary, we may ask you to submit additional documents. If I just introduce this page to you, it would be meaningless to make this video. To improve your chances of success and to get the result faster, I will tell you about the documents that I usually ask my clients to get. The point is, we have to get the situation of you and your spouse clearly to the inspectors at Immigration Bureau, Immigration Office. Basically, the screening process is done based on the documents. So, the documents have to be clear and persuasive. Today, let's check the documents with 3 parts. That is to say, the documents about your spouse, yourself, and you and your spouse. Okay, let's get started. Number 1, the documents about spouse. アイテムナンバー1ね。まず、copy of passport. Your husband's or your wife's passport copy ね。Next. Number 2. Copy of national ID カードね。Personal identification card. それから、アイテムナンバー3. Certificate of no crime record. You can get it. You can get the certificate from your police ね。From your local police. Next. Certificate of final education ね。それから next. Number 2. The documents about you. コピーをパスポートね。コピー、your passport copy. それから、since you have residence status in Japan, please make a copy of your residence card ね。copy of residence card, front side and back side ね。それから next、copy of insurance card ね。はい。Number 4、certificate of employment。これは、this needs to be original ね。original employment certificate、you can get it from your、workplace、ね、from your company. Number 5、certificate of residence tax、what we call in Japanese 課税証明書ね。はい。から 6、certificate of、paying residence tax、what we call 納税証明書ね。それからナンバー7、pay slips from January to the latest. Number 8、copy of bank book、to show your assets or、other assets ね。Number 9、copy of your apartment or your house contract. Okay, next section. Number 3, the documents about you and your spouse. Item number 1, copy of marriage certificate ね。Translation might be necessary if the certificate is written in language other than English. If the certificate is written in English, I don't think it is necessary to make translated version because inspectors at immigration office, most of, how can I say, inspectors can read English. So we don't need to submit Japanese translated version. Item number 2. バランスシートなんですね。The reason is、to show you can make living even after your spouse、comes here、ね。Example is like this. No need to think complicated. This is the balance sheet、that my client made in the past. Incomes and expenditures で surplus. Therefore, you can make living with your spouse in Japan. から some photos of yours ね。これをつけてください。If you have time、please check this video also on my YouTube channel Dependent Visa Perfect Guide ね。The documents I explained are just for your reference. Even if you can't submit everything, it does not mean your application will fail. Thank you for watching. Bye. またね。バイバイ。